Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video about Feg Token, my friends. This video is very important for all Feg Token holders because today you're getting 100x profit from a Feg Token. Absolutely, my friends. It's possible that you get 100x profit from a Feg Token, my friends. Before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos about cryptocurrencies market. Now my friends, let's get started the video, and as you can see here my friends that the price is increasing every hour. Just look here my friend, that is the live update of the Feg token in the market. In 0.86% the price pumped just in the last 24 hours, and it is just a beginning my friends. It is just a beginning. The huge pump is coming soon. Very soon you found a Feg token changes 100%, 200% positive. Just in the last 24 hours. So that is the unbelievable changes occurred in the Feg token, my friends. Absolutely, if you are a holder of the FEG token, so I think you are the future millionaire. Congratulations to all Feg token holders. And on the other side, for a new investor, for a new those people who want to invest in the FEG token, so you can see here my friends, oh, you can see 1%, 1.01% the price pump. Oh, again dumps. Oh my god, that's really going wrong now in this time. Situation is crazy. Feg token is now crazy. They don't understand it. Is pump dump, crazy my friends, fully crazy. Anyways, the price of the Feg token is very low, and my friends, guys, if you want to invest in a Feg token, so personally I think that Feg token is good for investment, and my technical analysis is going positive about Feg token. That's why I'm telling you that you will get 100x profit from a Feg token at the last of August. But remember my friends, never decide to sell at this time my friends. The short-term investor, I think that you have to sell at the last of August. In long-term investor, sell at the last of 2021. Hope you will get a huge profit from a Feg token in these days. Anyways, what do you think? What is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Feg token? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.